How to delete mails in Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete mails in Gmail. Now deleting mails in Gmail is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open up the Gmail app and you'll get an interface like this. Now here you'll be able to see all your mails here. Now to delete your mails, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you'll get alongside the mail. Now here you can see Google Mail, and at the left hand side you'll be able to see profile of every mail. Simply tap on the profile, quickly tap, and now you'll have to tap on every mail that you want to delete. Simply select every mail. Now you don't have to do anything to multi-select. Simply tap and tap and tap and select, tap on the messages that you want to delete, tap on the profile, and they'll be selected as you can see. And at the top right corner of the screen, there you can see various icons. There you can see a bin icon or the delete icon. Simply tap on delete icon and it will be deleted. So this way you can delete mails in Gmail. You can select them by tapping on the profile and you'll be able to delete them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.